Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. How are you all? Children, your today's topic is vowels. Children, as you know, an alphabet is made up of letters. The letters are arranged in a fixed order. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. All the words are created using letters. The alphabet can be written both in capital letters and in small letters. And these can be classified into vowels and consonants. And our today's topic is vowels. So today we are going to learn about vowels. Open your page number 12 in book 1. Now here you write down the date 4/8 because your month of August has started. So here you write 8 2020. 4/8/2020. And here you write down the classwork. And here is the topic VOWELS, vowels. Let's start reading. There are 5 special letters in English. These letters are called vowels. आपके इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट में 5 स्पेशल लेटर्स होते हैं और उनको ही vowels कहा जाता है. And these letters are A, E, I, O, U. Repeat it again. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are pronounced with open mouth. For example, when we pronounce A, our tongue, teeth and lips did not move. So, same as A, if we pronounce E, I, O, U, our tongue, teeth and lips did not move. In this line, let's find out vowel A in these words. And your first word is apple. APPLE, apple. APPLE, apple. A and E. A and E are vowels. And your second word is arrow. Arrow. ARROW, arrow. A and O. A and O are our vowels. And last word is for X. AXE. AXE. A and E. A and E are vowels. Let's move on the second line. Here, let us find E vowel in these words. ELF. ELF. So, our vowel is E. E is vowel. And your next word is egg. EGG, egg. EGG, egg. So, our vowel is E. And your last word is envelope. ENVELOPE, envelope. ENVELOPE, envelope. So, here are E, second E, O and third E are vowels. E, O, E are vowels. Let's move on the next line. This is for vowel I. So, let us find vowel I in these words. And your first word is ink. INK, ink. I is vowel. I is vowel. And your second word is insect. INSECT, insect. INSECT, insect. So I and E are vowels. And your third word is igloo. IGLOO, IGLOO. IOO are vowels. IOO are vowels. Let's move on the fourth line. This is for O. This is for vowel O. And let us find vowel O in these words. And your first word is orange. ORANGE, orange. OANE. OANE are vowels. And your second word is octopus. 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 So O and S are our vowels. O and S are vowels. And your third word is ox. Ox. OX, ox. So O is vowel. And your last line is for your fifth vowel U. So let us find U vowel in these words. And your first word is umpire. UMPIRE, umpire. UMPIRE. U I and E. U I and E are vowels. U I and E are vowels. And your second word is umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella. UEA. UEA are vowels. And your last word is under. 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 So our vowels are U and E are vowels. So children, I hope you understood about vowels. So come to the exercise. First of all, here you write down the date 4/8/2020. Here you write 8 because I told you before your month of August has started. So here you write 8. And here you write down the classwork. And this is your exercise. Underline the vowel in each word. Write the vowels in the space provided and color the picture. So children, as you can see, so many words are here. So let's find out the vowels in each words. And your first word is cat. CAT, cat. A is a vowel, so underline the vowel A. And your second word is RUG, rug. RUG, rug. Here U is a vowel, so here you underline the U. Vowel U. And your third word is bat, B-A-T, bat. So here A is a vowel, so underline the vowel A. So like this you will complete the remaining exercise, and here you write down the vowels. Okay? Goodbye children. Have a nice day.